Hey guys, my name is Dwayna. Welcome back to my channel. Now, on today's episode of things that I did not need but I purchased anyway, of course, HomeGoods. I have one item from Target, two from Ross, and then I have two, but they're bedding from this store called Dirt Cheap. It's like it's not a secondhand store or anything like that, but is where I guess other stores, if they get damaged or they have to damage something out, then they send it to, that place buys it and then they resell it and stuff like that. Now, I don't care for stores like that because I'm not the type, I hate digging for stuff. It's like one of those stores you have to like look for the stuff. I can't, I'm starting off already. Can't talk. I hope you guys enjoyed my decorate with me with my coffee table and the console. Now, I know my style may not be for everybody, but I love it. I'm like a semi weirdo, not the one that look, not the one do. But I just like stuff. I don't want what everybody else. You guys know the deal. So let's get right into this video because you know me. Okay, let's start with the first thing from HomeGoods since it's in front of me. I don't know why I keep collecting all these vases. Like, what is going on? I told you I had a thing. But the only reason why I like this one, because I have so much cream and white stuff that I need more black and brown. And I just hope that I can actually find it. But HomeGoods, what's going on? Because lately, y'all ain't been... what's going on? Y'all got held up in that storm that's going on in Texas? Because y'all ain't been really having some good stuff. But I like that. I like the texture on it. So that glazed look, and this was $24.99. Don't go nowhere. And then I got this one. Nothing special about it. The only reason why I got it because it was black. And it's like I don't want to have to DIY everything that I get from HomeGoods. So I don't know about that. I'm gonna have to see how that look on a shelf. So, but I like the organic look and feel to it. You guys probably can't see it. I don't know if you can, well, you can see it. So I liked it that. That was $34.99. Yeesh. And then I like this one. It's almost got like a little flute, the little fluted design on it. I said semi, not all the way. But I thought that shape was cute. So what you guys think about that one? So I liked that one. Again, $29.99. Okay, I got some kitchen stuff from them too. Now, I have been seeing this skeleton little bone thing. It's been in black though. I've never seen it in any other color. And I've always been gravitated to it, but then I was like, do I really want that? I know CB2 got something like it. And I was like, do I really want that? But then when I saw, don't judge me. My channel's no judgment. I like odd stuff. I don't know what it is. So please don't judge me. And if you do, oh well. Mine's. I like it. So put this on a shelf. I want to put this, I'm going to leave it as is because I like the color. And I just love that color. But I don't understand. HomeGoods, if any of your employees who do these little pricings watch this video, if you guys ever watch this, please stop doing it. Stop defacing. Like, put it underneath. Like, you see how smart that was? Wow. You guys can actually do that. Like, stop doing that. Please. So yeah, this was $24.99. Now I gotta try to... How do you actually take these off without damaging? Because I'm thinking, like, since it's painted, I don't want to like damage. So I think I'm gonna have to try to blow dry it, because I don't want to wet it and kind of scrub it. I don't want to do that. Guys, why I look so fat? I promise you I'm not fat. Oh, I'm a little heavy, but I'm not fat. I'm trying to get it down because I'm in that gym working out, baby. And no New Year's resolution. I don't believe in that. I don't do that because I know me. I'm not gonna stick to that. I love to work out. Working out is like, it just clears my mind. So I'm passionate If I can only stay consistent, cause baby, if I miss a week, it's gonna be two behind it, but then I'm right back on track. So that's the only part I hate about me, that I'm not consistent with it. But I do get in there, cause I'm trying to grow these things, honey. So enough about that. So this was the kitchen. I got some kitchen stuff, nothing special, because I love to cook. So I got these little strainers, and the only reason why I got them because they was black. That was the only reason why, because I already have a whole set, just because they were black. $5.99 for those. Oh, okay, my table, if you caught the last video with me redecorating or whatever, my table was made. I don't know why I didn't voice that in the video. I'm so all over the place. Be patient, I'm gonna get it together. But yeah, my table was made, and just like my shelves, you'll actually see me decorate those probably next. But I think my next video will be me cooking something. But okay, back to the table. Since it's real wood, it's got like, you know how it's got like the little slits in it and stuff like that. And I have to vacuum the table. I literally sweep it and vacuum. But then I came across nothing special, but I was like, hey, I'm here for it. The little broom, the little dustpan and broom. And this was $7.99, and you couldn't beat that. So, but yeah. And of course, they had the silver one, and I had that first because I didn't see this one. I was like, I don't like the color, because it just threw me off. But I was like, hold on, somebody tried to hide this. It's coming home. So I got that. And then just some little whisk, because I'm forever making something up. And those was $3.99, but I thought that was cute because it was little, because I have a real big one. And I was like, let me get that. And okay, if I still have the video with me when I did the containers that I my flour and my sugar and all this other stuff, if I still have that little clip where I redid that, I'm gonna insert it. But yeah, I was like, and I had told my mom, I was like, I needed some little container, the little scoops or whatever. And I was like, but I don't want like the plastic ones. I wanted like some silver, like some real heavy. And I guess these are like the knockoff all clads, but these are the master clads. And they're measuring things, but I don't want them for that. I just want them to put inside so I can just scoop it and go. So yeah, these were $12.99, and they're heavy as I don't know what too. So I liked that because they had really good weight to it. And I'm just going to wash those up and put them in there right quick. Okay, now roast is not the roast that I go to, the 3 really don't be having much in decoration, but I always look because I never find anything. But when I saw this vase, and I was like, the texture on it, that's what sold it. And it was on clearance for $7.99. I could not beat that. So I had to get her. And then this little cream one. And I was like, So I don't know, this may be going back, but I like the detailing in that. That's the only reason why it caught my eye, because of the detailing. And that was $12.99. But hold on. It looks good on the shelf though. So more than likely she'll be staying. And then I ended up getting this runner, this jute runner for my kitchen from Target. Because my jute rugs done had it, honey. I had 2 single ones, so I needed to replace that. So hopefully this will fit and won't be too big for the kitchen, because I don't have a real big kitchen, and I don't need it. I never wanted a big kitchen, but I love to cook. But so that was my threshold, so you can see that. And so hopefully that'll be cute. because I have two of the jute runners. But if you know anything about jute, once you like step on it and you constantly on it, it just wears down real bad. That's the only thing about that. So this is what I got from Dirt Cheap. It's nothing special, but it's like a duvet cover. Let me see if you can see that texture on it. And I have the cover that I have on there now is like a goose feather downfield, whatever. It's very fluffy. It reminds you of the hotel, but it's white. So you know when you wash white and stuff like that, they don't be as pure. But I use stuff to try to make it. But I use a lot of oil, baby, because I ain't got time to be ashy right now. Feels good. So yeah. So that's the only thing about for me with white bedding is because I use so many face products. Because when I go to sleep, honey, you can slide right off my face. I slug. And what slugging is like when you greased or whatever, because I'm not trying to look old before my time. We all need to start taking care of ourselves. Like get on a good face regimen. I am faithful about my face care and body. I'm always right out the shower. I'm putting some kind of oil on me, and I use a lot of oils and stuff, and like natural stuff, because your body soaks that in. So you got to be careful what you put on your body too as well. But enough about that. So I ended up getting this. I'm gonna wash it, stain it real good, and I paid 17 something for that. So that's why I said I like them for their bedding, Dirt Cheap, but all that other stuff you gotta dig for and go straight to their bedding, and that's it. And then the last thing, let me put that down. I got this Casa Luna, this color. Now I originally had bought this from Target like the end of last year, and then I got it home. I was like, oh, I don't know if I like the color or whatever. But when I was in Dirt Cheap, so I ended up taking it back, and I kept the cream because I bought two at the same time. And I ended up keeping the cream one. And so, because I got a rust color already, and I love the way that they feel against the skin and stuff like that. But then I ended up taking this one back. But then, as I'm in Dirt Cheap, found this for $44. So, you know, it's like 100 and something in Target. So I thought that was a very good buy. So, yep, I ended up getting that. And I wanted something, they had something else. They had some linen sheets that I wanted, and this linen duvet cover. But girl, they still wanted store prices. That thing still was $78. I was like, you can keep it. Dirt cheap? No, we ain't doing that. Excuse my, I have faces for days. When I'm watching videos, I don't do TikTok or anything like that. But when I'm watching videos or whatever, I wish I can just start recording myself as I'm looking at the videos. The face be telling it all. So, excuse me. So, I know I give off whatever. Oh, hold on. Hold it. Okay, guys. What I was saying, I don't know. Guys, I hope you like content like this because I have more of it. I love to shop and I love to cook. I love redecorating. I'm constantly redecorating space. Right now, I found this old timey, I'm not gonna call it old timey. I'll insert a picture of this wood desk because I told you, like my shelves and stuff like that, I would rather for you to hand build them versus me buying them, because now when you buy furniture, it looks very cheap to me. Furniture just don't look the same. And I like to go for places if I'm looking for a different kind of piece, and then it's got so much story to it too. So I like to go to Goodwill just to look at the furniture part, nothing else. So yeah, so I gotta go to Goodwill to get the desk. I'll insert that, and then I'm getting this, I know of all things, a futon. I think it's a futon, but it's like a little black couch or whatever that I want to put in my junk room. I have a blue one already, but I want to like redo the whole space. So you guys will be coming along with that, and I'll insert pictures for both. But The desk needs a lot of work, but the bones are so good. So very good. So, okay guys, that's it for Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and then also share me. But until then, I will see you in my next video. And I'm out.